Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create QR code for Stripe payment. So here's how you can create a QR code for Stripe payment. Requirements: you must have a Stripe account, a Stripe checkout or Stripe elements integrated into your website or application. So here are the steps to create a QR code for the Stripe payment. So the first step is to generate a payment link. So in the Stripe dashboard, navigate to the payments section, click on the payment links and then create payment link. The following step is to convert the payment link to a QR code. So you can use an online QR code generator tool to convert the Stripe payment link into a QR code. Simply paste the payment link URL into the QR code generator and it will create an image file of the QR code. The third step is to embed or display the QR code. So you can embed the QR code image on your website, in your mobile app, or print it out for a physical display. So when a customer scans the QR code with their mobile device, it will open the payment link in their preferred payment app or browser, allowing them to complete the Stripe payment. So remember to handle any server-side logic such as creating the Stripe payment link in a secure and reliable manner. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.